Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name's Amanda and I work for the County of San Diego. Due to the current climate of COVID-19, there are orders to stay at home and shelter in place. So today I'm going to walk you through some great resources like Doordash to help you get food and stay connected without having to leave your home. Doordash is a website and a mobile app that allows you to order food from your favorite restaurants and have it delivered to your home. You can order online at doordash.com or through a mobile app. I'm going to review how to order from the mobile app in this video. Before we get started, I want to remind you that you can pause or rewind the video at any time if you want to follow along on your own device. So grab a pen and pencil or your mobile app. Let's get started. The first thing you'll do is download the Doordash app on your phone or tablet. For Android, tap the Google Play icon, which looks like this. For Apple, tap the App Store icon, which looks like this. Once there, type Doordash into the search bar and tap Search or the magnifying glass. That may even populate automatically. Be sure it looks like this icon. Next, tap Install. Once you have downloaded the Doordash app on your phone or tablet, you will either need to sign up for an account or log in if you've already created an account. If you don't have one, tap through the red buttons like Get Started. This is where you'll input your phone number and your email address. Be sure to use your mobile phone number rather than your landline, since they may text you for confirmation. You can also choose to connect your Google or Facebook account. Please note that while the screenshots in this tutorial are for Apple, it looks very similar on Android, and you can always contact customer support for questions. Start using Doordash by putting in the address that you want your food delivered to. A map of your delivery address will come up to confirm what you typed in. On this screen, you can add extra instructions for the driver, like a gate code or tips on how to find you. Confirm that this information is correct and click Save. Now that you've set up your account, you will be on the main page where you can browse restaurants nearby and filter by type of food, customer ratings, time for delivery, and delivery preferences. Scroll down to see more restaurants. If you're only interested in restaurants that have delivery, tap Delivery. Have a specific restaurant in mind or a local favorite you want to order? Tap the search icon to look it up. From this screen, you can also look at past and current orders, and tap Account for more settings. When you tap a restaurant, it will look something like this. For example, we selected Urban Plates. You see the name of the restaurant, their ratings and price range, delivery fee and time, and you can choose between pickup and delivery here. Because of COVID-19, we recommend selecting delivery for all selections and take advantage of their no contact delivery system. This is set as the default, so you don't need to do anything. The delivery driver will leave your order at your door. If you think they need special instructions for finding a safe drop-off location, be sure to include them in the special instructions box before completing your order. Now scroll down to browse their menu and pick out your meal. Okay, back to the food. When you tap through the menu, you can scroll and select items from their categories. Here, we select the category Popular Items. Change your mind and want to go browse the menu for kids' meals instead? Use the Go Back arrow in the top left. Some restaurants have a big menu, so don't forget to scroll down to browse all their items. When you tap an item, you will have the option of adding it to your cart. Did you tap something by mistake? Tap the X in the top left to go back. Additional options will show up here, like adding bread to your meal. Once you've made your selection, tap Add to Order. You're almost there. Tap the red View Cart button at the bottom of your screen to confirm your order. Here, you can see your selections. Change customizations, like no cheese, add or remove items, or even add a promo code. When it looks good, tap Continue to proceed to checkout and pay. While DoorDash can be an affordable option for many, there are different types of fees, such as delivery, service, and small order fees, to be mindful of and avoid a surprise bill after placing your order. With DoorDash, fees vary for each restaurant. You can see what fees you'll pay from the checkout screen. You may see advertisements for Dash Pass, which is a subscription service offered in some areas. You pay a monthly fee to receive free delivery and reduced fees on orders over $12. If you order frequently, you can explore this option on their website. The next screen is your checkout page, where you can confirm your address, include instructions for delivery, set a time when you'd like it delivered, add a tip, and input your card for payment. Looking good? Click Place Your Order to get it started. Now I'm getting hungry. The delivery screen shows you the status of your order, and you can watch your driver's location and check its progress. You can tap Help for customer support. Watch the order status bar to see where your order is in the process. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or want more information about DoorDash, check out their website at www.doordash.com. Links for the website, customer service, and how to reach us if you have questions about this training can be found below. We hope you enjoy your food.